Hi everyone, thanks for joining. I'm Mickey, head of product here at Genstore. Genstore started with a simple belief: nobody should have to build a business alone. Most founders start with a clear idea, but very quickly they're buried under execution. Design, products, marketing, operations, support. It's a lot. Genstore is an AI agent team built to change that. We help you go from idea to execution with the kind of support you'd normally expect from a full team, not just tools. At Genstore, our mission is straightforward: help anyone launch a high-converting e-commerce site in under 2 minutes. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how we've made that possible. Let's dive in. You can start by simply typing a prompt to describe your vision, or if you're looking for a specific direction, browse our store gallery. It's filled with live examples of what our AI agents can build. Once you find a look that resonates, just hit Remix to make it your own. This is where everything starts. Our AI begins by understanding your requirements, what you want to sell, your preferred style, and the language of your site. At the same time, it analyzes millions of high-performing dropshipping products to recommend items that fit your niche. You can pick a few from the list or upload your own product images. Using this information, the AI generates your store structure, visuals, blog content, and product collections. From here, the AI agent team takes over. Agent Genius acts as the project manager, coordinating the entire workflow. The design agent handles the layout, color palettes, and custom assets. The product agent manages the listings, optimizing your titles and key selling points. The launch agent prepares the essentials, including your privacy policy and SEO-optimized content. Just like that, in less than 2 minutes, your site is fully operational. Let's take a look. Notice how consistent the design feels and how polished the product images are. Everything is ready, and your store can start taking orders immediately. If you want to customize the design further, you can just tell the design agent what you have in mind. Maybe you want a more premium or a luxury look. The agent takes that input and uses it to refine the design. Behind the scenes, it starts with a full analysis and generates a design report, style keywords, color direction, and layout suggestions. Once you approve it, the agent rebuilds the site with new on-brand assets across every section, including images, product visuals, and blog content. It even adds custom motion effects, so the page feels more dynamic, all without writing code or touching the back end. Here's the interesting part. The agent even generates custom animations to give your site a premium, high-tech feel. You can keep refining with the design agent, or if you still want to tweak the fine details, our Pro Editor is always available for those final pixel-perfect adjustments. A great store needs great products. Traditionally, adding products meant filling out complex forms. At Genstore, we've simplified that entirely. Upload a product photo, and our product agent handles the heavy lifting. It extracts the product name, writes a compelling description, and identifies key selling points, all while enhancing the image quality. Hit confirm, and your product is live. If you want to expand your catalog, the agent can recommend high-potential products from our dropshipping marketplace based on your store's performance and positioning. You'll get pricing suggestions and keyword insights, and you can push products live with one click. The product agent will keep recommending based on your choice and help you list all the necessary products in minutes. You can also explore the dropshipping marketplace by yourself with search and categories. We also support over 1,000 print-on-demand products. You can upload your logo, preview the custom mock-ups, and the AI will even generate high-quality model shots to show your brand in action. Building the store is just the beginning. To drive conversion, you need a strategy. That's where the campaign agent comes in. It researches your competitors and current industry trends to build a comprehensive marketing plan. Want to launch a promotion? It's a single click. The agent even manages your announcement bar and drafts the copy for you. Beyond the storefront, Genstore provides a full suite of outreach tools, including email, SMS, and social media automation. You can sync your accounts to push real-time updates directly to your followers. Your Genstore site isn't just a standalone page, it's a multi-channel powerhouse. Sell across Facebook, Instagram, Google, YouTube, and TikTok with seamless integrations. We're also evolving the campaign agent into a full marketing agent, one that manages your cross-channel content automatically. It's part of a broader growth ecosystem we're building around automation, SEO and AEO, and social distribution. One last thing, Genstore is defining the 4 levels of intelligent commerce evolution. Level 1, assisted operations. Level 2, partially automated operations. Level 3, conditional autonomous operations. Level 4, highly autonomous operations. Today, most tools are still at level 1. Genstore is already operating at level 2.5, and we're building toward level 3, scenario-based autonomy you can trust, where systems adapt to performance signals within boundaries you control. So that's Genstore, the end of doing it alone. You bring the vision, your AI agent team executes. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you build.